and welcome to Earthy Eating Treats. My name is Delisi and I'm thrilled to have you here on this amazing culinary journey with me. I'm a 12-year-old who loves cooking and baking, and I can't wait to share my passion with you. Here at Earthy Eating Treats, we believe in pure ingredients, pure joy. Our mission is to create delicious vegetarian dishes and delightful baked goods using the freshest and purest ingredients. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, you'll find something exciting and wholesome to make in your kitchen. From mouth-watering vegetarian recipes to fun and easy baking techniques, there's something for everyone. In this channel, you'll also get lifestyle and health tips, live sessions, and exclusive content through our Patreon community. Plus, we'll have a lot of fun along the way. Thank you so much for joining me today on Earthy Eating Treats. If you're excited about this culinary journey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our delicious recipes and fun cooking adventures. I'm excited to have you here, and I can't wait to see what we create together. Until next time, happy cooking and baking!